we'll guide you through how to navigate the Replit overview in the most efficient way. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Replit website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is your starting point for everything on Replit. On the left-hand side, you will see a vertical menu bar. The first icon is the Home button, which takes you back to the dashboard at any time. Below that, you'll find the Documentation button, which lets you browse through public replis and projects from other users. A great way to get inspiration or find code examples. Next, you have the Teams section, which is perfect if you're collaborating with others. It shows all the teams you're part of and allows you to create new ones or manage existing ones. After that, you'll see the Notifications icon, which keeps you updated on any activity related to your projects or account. Don't forget to check this regularly to stay informed. Below Notifications, there's the Community tab, a fantastic place to engage with other Replit users, ask questions, or join discussions. Finally, at the bottom, you have the Settings gear, where you can adjust your account preferences, theme, and other personal settings. On the main part of the dashboard, you have quick access to your recent projects and a Create button to start a new repli. You can choose from a variety of languages and templates to kickstart your coding project. The search bar at the top is incredibly useful for quickly locating specific replis, projects, or users. Make sure to utilize these features to streamline your workflow and maximize your productivity on Replit. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.